Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a reverse list in Python. Now what it's supposed to do is you make a list and it reverses it. So this is the code for the reverse list. It's a little bit short, but what it's doing is the variable list is equal to A, B, and C, and then we're going to reverse it, and then it's going to print the reverse list. So it works. Now let's try with numbers. And it still works. Now let's try with letters and numbers, I guess. And it still works. So there you have it, the reversed list. Remember to hit that subscribe button and like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.